How to import Google Contacts to iPhone. Import contact from Gmail to your iPhone. If you're a first time iPhone user like me, I always use Android and this is my first time using an iPhone and I don't know how to access my contact. So this tutorial will guide you on how to import your Google contact to an iPhone. Let's get started. Now you first of all need to click on your settings, navigate till you see contact. So click on it. Now you see here account. Click on account. Once you click on account, add what? Click on add account. So click on it and select what? Google. So once you select Google, enter your Google what? Email. So I'm just going to do that. Let me add mine. Even though that the same email will be on your phone, but still. So once you are done, just enter, click on next. It will now ask you for your password. So let me enter my password. Alright, done. I'm done with my password, as you can see. So the next thing I need to do is to click on next again, and it is loading. Let's see what happens. So bravo, as you can see, almost done. Continue. Click on continue. And this is what they're asking you. Just allow anything from here, and then voila, we are good to go. And what are the things that you wanted to save in this email? I don't need email, contact, and calendar. No notes. You can decide to add yours, but it's not needed for me, so I just need to click on add. So you can see accounts added. I was formerly having around 207 contacts. So let me now go back to see. So importing constant, leave that one. So let me go to my here. Let me go to contact here. As you can see, are in all. You can see we now have Gmail here with 36 contacts. I now have here Gmail with 36 contacts. So these are the contacts I have on my Gmail. The one I have on my iCloud. This one I created it this morning. So these ones are imported from what? My SIM. This one are imported from my SIM, and this is the Gmail, and you can see the total is now 243. So this is how simple it is to import your contact from what? Gmail to an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you need more tutorial, comments. I'm now going to enjoy iPhone.